How's it going, everybody? So I am away for work, and that's why also I didn't record much recently, but I want to take you an update, and I promise I'll get back to it. So if you do like it, make sure to leave a like, let me know in the comments, and we jump straight to the laptop. The first thing first is it's been quite a steady market, but as we see here, I have $3,000 and I want to go and take a position with you. I am gonna go short over here on Bitcoin, so we're just gonna open it 100% short on Bitcoin, and we are good to go. It's going to be a cross position as we see here to sell the position, and we are going to take profit at about, oh, here we got to put the price, market price, of course, 100%. Over on ZoomX, they have a very good campaign for all of you, so the link will be down below. Make sure to go and participate, grab your free deposit money. You deposit, you get free money. Super simple. And here we have it. So the position has been open, and I'm gonna take a profit margin at 10%. So we're gonna keep it easy. As soon as it goes down, we are going to make some money. So come and join me as well over on ZoomX. The other one is in terms of the Grass airdrop update. Now, as we see here, it is now live on the OKX spot wallet, which means that the airdrop season 2 for Grass is coming really, really soon. And a lot of people are speculating about it over on Twitter, and you probably saw it. One thing sure, do not fall for any fake links. I will take you the video once it comes out, and do not, there is no official link now to claim it. Do not fall for it. Please be careful. A lot of scams happening in the crypto world, and this is one of them, where they say, oh, Grass season 2 airdrop is live. No, it is not live yet. So please be careful. I will take you the update. It is going to be in the first part of 2026, so we are about to finish that, and in my opinion, it's going to happen really, really soon. Next up, we also have the checker for the Pharos airdrop. It is now live. You have 4 claiming options. You can claim instantly with no multiplier, 30 days for 1.5, and so on. It's an airdrop, guys. Claim it instantly because it's gonna go to absolutely dust. Claim it, sell it, and you are good to go. So here is the, as we see here, this is the airdrop page. You simply connect your wallet, whichever one you use, and you're good to go. Register, claim it. Do not get any bonuses. Please sell it, because we know how airdrop works. They go down. Most of them are all down. So yes. And another thing, if you want to go and claim your cheap airdrop, you can do it. I will leave the link down below. And also you can go over to Jumper and sell it. This is the correct page over on your Beachroom tab. So I will leave it linked down below. Make sure to go and sell it as well, because it's an airdrop and it's gonna go to zero. Next up, we got the Open Gradient airdrop claim. It is also now live. You can claim at the web page that I will leave you. The price is currently fluctuating, but let me know, by the way, for all of this airdrop, the allocation that you did receive, right in the comment below. And here we have the Open Gradient airdrop. You simply connect your wallet and then you claim the airdrop, which is super, super easy. And the claiming closes in 3 days. So you only have 3 days left. Make sure to go and participate, get it, and you're good to go. Next up, we also have the Billion airdrop registration. It is now live. The registration closes as soon as you watch this video. So make sure to go and do it. No eligibility or allocation is shown yet. And as we see here, register to be eligible for the rewards. You only got 2 days and 9 hours and 11 minutes. Make sure to go and do it. Do not be left behind. Once again, claim it, sell it, and you're good to go. We then have the Fluent airdrop checker, which it is live right now. There is going to be a surprise airdrop. The eligibility, you had to register by today. So make sure to go and connect the wallet, do your things, and you are good to go. But with that said, guys, make sure to let me know down in the comments below what you think as well in terms of the whatever the airdrop is, your allocation, and all of that. And with that said, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.